In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and manage your Amazon gift card balance effectively. Knowing how to access and use your gift card balance can streamline your online shopping experience, saving you both time and money. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting Amazon's website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to www.amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice several options on the top right corner of the screen. If you are not already logged in, you'll see a Sign In button there. Go ahead and click that. Enter your email address and password, then click the Sign In button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's find your gift card balance. Near the top of the homepage, you'll see various tabs including Accounts and Lists, Returns and Orders Boss, and more sencillos. Keep an eye out for the Gift Cards option, which should be prominently displayed along the top part of the screen. Click on that. Once you're on the gift cards page, you'll see an option that says View Your Balance. Click on it to access your current gift card balance. This page will show you exactly how much credit you have available to use on your next purchase. Checking your balance before making purchases is always a smart move. Your gift card balance is automatically applied to your orders whenever you make a purchase on Amazon. So, knowing the exact amount beforehand can help you budget your shopping spree better. Now, here's something important to remember. If your gift card balance covers the full amount of your purchase, then you're all set. However, if the total cost of your order exceeds your gift card balance, Amazon will simply charge the remaining amount to your default payment method. So make sure to have an updated credit or debit card linked to your account to avoid any hiccups during checkout. On the other hand, if your gift card balance is higher than your order total, don't worry. The leftover amount will stay safely in your account, ready to be used the next time you shop. This allows you the flexibility to make multiple purchases without having to re-enter your gift card information every time. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to check and use your Amazon gift card balance. Keeping tabs on your balance and understanding how it's applied can make your shopping more seamless and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!